Hold on. Wait a minute. So, guys, I found a decent method that can help you earn money online just with your smartphone. You heard me right. I said decent. This particular method right here just gave me 3,000 naira for free. Like, they just dashed me the 3,000, which means as I registered on the platform, they gave me 3,000 naira as a welcome bonus for totally free. You can see the money on the screen. So, I want to show you how you can use this platform to earn some cash for yourself right here in Nigeria for totally free, guys. So let's dive into it. See me for the first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. Right here I share updates on how to earn money online with different methods and different side hustles or different apps. So if you want more update from me, give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more updates coming your way, guys. So guys, the first thing you have to do is for you to click on the link below if you're interested. The thing just pop up right now. So you can click on get now to register, or you can go ahead and cancel it. Join and earn commission with me. And there are a lot of people that are earning a whole lot of money right here on this platform. You need to understand that Temu is actually trending right now. Anywhere you go, you see a Temu ad. You go to Instagram, you go to TikTok, you go on Facebook, go everywhere, you see a Temu ad. Most of these ads have been run by individuals that are using this particular method to earn money for themselves. This particular method is called Temu affiliate program. Temu affiliate program. Now this is something that will last, except Temu wake up tomorrow and say, okay, we are done with our affiliate program. We have enough customers. We don't want to do affiliate again, which is going to be very, very hard because they always want customers. And this particular method right here can help you earn good amount of money just with your smartphone. So you can see this is the interface right here, and let me scroll down. You can see there's a high commission right here. 300k people have joined us. So over 300k people have already joined Temu affiliate program. Well, you can come down here and go through this. You can use your Google account to register, which is easier. You can use your Facebook account, or just go ahead and put in your email address and create a password. You can see the 3,000 naira they gave you will be in your wallet, just like my own. You cannot withdraw it though. You cannot withdraw because as I talk now, most of them don't already go click withdraw to remove the money. So calm down. Let me show you what to do. So for you to withdraw money here, let me calm you down first. You need to have up to I think up to 25,000 is the minimum withdrawal. So if you have 3,000, you still need 22,000 for you to withdraw. So calm down. 10 to 30% commission for each of the products you sell. Referrals can get up to 100,000 coupon bundle. Easy to earn commission. Share link, get referrals and earn commission. You're going to see they say influencer dashboard and all this. Now the third one here is invite, and this last one here is hot items. So let me explain one after the other. They say get up to 4,500 now, and this. So this is an affiliate program where you come down here, you sell products that you don't own, and you make commission. So you advertise a product that is not your own, you actually earn commission for making sales on this platform. It's very, very simple. For example, this particular product right here is 9,000 naira. If you sell it, they are going to give you 2,000 naira for free, 2,700 naira. This one is 12,000 is 112,000 naira. If you sell it, they are going to give you up to 33,000 naira for free as your affiliate commission. So all what you have to do is for you to come down here and select the one you like and sell it, and you get a commission. So right here you can actually share this link and also earn money. Now the next page is influencer. If you go on TikTok, different people talking about Temu, different people creating videos about Temu. Now this is because they have actually linked their account to Temu. You can see they link their TikTok account, their YouTube account, or their Instagram account. The more they talk about Temu, they drive traffic to Temu. They can actually earn money by doing that. You are an influencer, or if you want to be an influencer, go and create a social media account and start talking about Temu. They say invite to earn. So if you also invite an influencer, you also earn money, and you are free to contact their customer service at the top right corner in case you need help. Maybe you have an issue with one or two things. Now the next part right here is share. This share right here, this is where you actually invite your friends right here and you make money for yourself. Now this is when you invite an affiliate and you earn money. So it's very, very simple. Based on what I'm seeing here, this is free coupon, so you also get a commission of 4,500 naira for actually I'm getting people down here to purchase product through your coupon, guys. It's very simple. Now, this invite affiliate is when you invite somebody that is an affiliate. It's very simple. So, for example, now I invite you to this platform, and you come down here to resell their product to get your commission. You are an affiliate. I invite you down here, and we get a commission. So, if you invite another affiliate, you also get an extra commission. So you can see they can give you up to 23,000 naira for inviting an affiliate on this platform. So if you invite an active affiliate, you can see they say 20% secondary commission get started, and you can come here and go through this. It's very simple. And the last page right here, these are hot products. Now you can resell this product and you earn money. Now this particular product right here is 35,000 naira fridge cover. People's fridge are dirty, people's fridge are dusty. You can sell this cover to them and you actually earn money. For you to sell this product, you have to click on share. Once you click on share, this page will open. Come down here, copy the link to this particular product. You invite them and they buy the product. They have to click on the link, they buy this product, and you actually get a commission. Now you can sell your product through your WhatsApp status, and you can create a group. You can create a WhatsApp group, create a Telegram channel, create a WhatsApp channel, get people in your channel. You understand? You entertain them. If you, based on what you want to focus on, either you entertain them or you must add a value to them before you sell them the product. Because if you just gather people inside a group and start advertising a product for them, you're going to look so desperate, and people don't like people that are desperate. People don't like that. So Temu is offering a lot of discounts, and you can use that opportunity to get more people to buy products from Temu through your affiliate link, and you get a commission. It's very, very simple. If you don't like Temu affiliate program, I have something else to recommend for you. You might also like this one. This is 48,000 naira. I withdraw this money from this particular website, and with this website right here, you can earn money by completing their micro tax. You can also earn money with the affiliate program, and they pay you 500 naira for each person you refer on this platform. Here you can come down here and earn money. You can see spin and win. You can spin the wheel and make money. You can see fastest finger, those are bonuses. You can see promote business. You can see safe lock is when you lock your funds and you get profit. My last withdrawal here was 9,000, 41,000, 28,000, 28,000, 20,000, 26,000, 18,000, 30,000, 24,000, 19,000. Guys, this is amazing. I've withdrawn money here countless times because of the affiliate program. Temu affiliate program to sell products that are necessary for people. You earn money for yourself, or you can join freebyz. Also join the affiliate program to earn 500 naira for each person you invite into the platform. Have a lovely day and bye for now.